Hey, here we go. Got a nice little one on the stand here this morning. Again, here at Performance Unlimited, we custom build and tune. When you get one of our engines, why are we a little bit different? Because we tune them up for you. We custom build them your way, the way you would like your engine to arrive to you. And again, it's quality parts that go into this motor that makes the difference. So if you have something in mind, give us a call. This happens to be a 383 Chevy Stroker, made 500 foot-pounds of torque, 500 horsepower. There's no bullshit here because it shows it on our dyno what we did, and we've been doing this for quite a long time. So again, put your trust into the hands that know what they're doing. Thank you. Enjoy. How's that for a startup?